Milk tried to make a pass and flew right into the side of the gate. So now lots of breathing room for Liguang, W Bag, and Kakai. And now going on to lap number 3, Milk is 4th. W Bag, your leader. This is anyone's game after 2 with 3 laps to go. Oh, wow. Watching Kakai with some issues. He's regrouping and refocusing. So now it's W Bag, your leader after laps 2 and 3. Then Leung, Kakai, and Milk on to lap number 4. 2 laps to go.
没想到 Milk 居然排到第4，前面3位选手真的是发挥的相当好。
Yellow LEDs and red LEDs are 1 and 2. That's W Bag and Leung onto this final lap. Milk with the blue LEDs is 2.6 seconds back, and Kakai running 4th. Now everyone with a chance to stay alive, but the final 2, the top 2 will lock into our final 4. And how did she do it? She pulls up 2nd. Liguang,
钟离光
your
第一 winner,
Milk
Milk 第2。
pulls up 2nd. Milk goes from 4th all the way up into 2nd behind Leung. They're 1.3 seconds apart.
卡凯第3。
That was some good racing right there. Let's give the win to Leung. Let's give 2nd to Milk. They're in race number 14, the final.